Hi folks, and thank you for allowing me to do this video presentation on this new used condition, like brand new, 2020 279. It's a rear lounge by Coachmen. It's a Freedom Express, and we'll start on the inside, we'll finish up on the outside. So the rear lounge that we have here has got you the featuring kind of a nice recliner, dual recliner setup here with lots of cup holders. You got the windows on all the sides over here. They're a flush mounted frameless window, which we'll show you on the outside when we get there. But with the rear lounges, it's nice to have some extra space on each side there. You notice this table is a freestanding table that can be used in the base position for a bed when you want to convert it, or you can take it outside. You also have a lot of storage there in the slide out next to the dinette as well, and windows on all the sides that open up for extra ventilation, which is nice. Your TV's right here across from your booth dinette and the two love seat recliners. You also have your fireplace there, which is another nice feature to have. It's essentially like brand new condition. It is a 20, but it is pre-owned slightly. Something that we took back in here on trade, it looks like. And then we do have the refrigerator, which is up a little bit higher. It's nice, got the nice inserts here. Your oven, your 3-burner top, and your oven there. You also have in this area a nice little kind of cutout area around here where the silverware would go. You also have the this one, which would be this 50/50 sink, stainless steel undermount, which is nice with this sort of a solid surface top there that runs all the way through. Has some counter space there as well, your microwave, and then storage overhead here, which is nice to have. These couple windows also add ventilation, a nice hallway, natural light here for you if you want to get up in the morning and go to the bathroom. Look at how big that shower is with a little seat on it. It's kind of nice to have some space next to the sink, and you've got little shelves in the shower and the nice skylight. Just really, really cool. Big size bathroom for those who need a little more space to get around. In the bedroom area, you've got a slider door here. You've got your two areas there on both sides, and then you also have a little bit darker here, but you've got that little shade down for that front window, which is nice to have. In 2020 they came out with that new window up front, and you also have the shade here just to give you an example of the size of the window there. And you got storage overhead as well. Also a nice optional fantastic fan, high capacity power fan there as well too. And so it makes it real nice for the inside. It gives you fairly small rear lounge, but still giving you lots of space inside you want to spend your time. On the outside here, we can actually go ahead and you'll see it's got the grab assist handle. There's the frameless windows, which is a nice feature to have for, they'll open up a little bit, so you can kind of have them on a rainy day if you need to. The ladder here on getting back there is nice to have for maintenance if you need to do your own. You do have a heavy duty rack and pinion slide system. It's pretty deep there. Your outside shower, your satellite hookups here, your city water, and your power supply. As we got the thick compartment doors as well with magnets, you see it's got nice space inside there. And then you've got also too a nice cap that went all the way from the base here all the way up to the top, so it's a real nice cap design. You do also have the leveling system that we can tell you more about if you want to call the number at the end of the video, tell you a little more about that. You see it's got the push buttons for each jack you have individually. And then you've got your double tanks and your batteries. Heck, the spare tire is even put down out of the way here so it doesn't bother you in the back. And very rarely will you ever need it seems like, so it's a good place for it. If you have any more questions, again, my name is Tom Peterson, been here for over 29 years. I would love to answer questions for you. And just remember, here at Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.